Car versus streetcar. So the problem is not the streetcars. The problem is the cars. All it takes is one to block everything up and down the line. And one car is all it takes. What's the problem? Is it the streetcar or is it the cars? The verdict is in. It's all in the cars. Not the street games. Snowy day or sunny day, all it takes is. And look at how far back it goes. These people in their cars just sitting there. And the problem is just sitting in those cars. Two people, one person, streetcar. All the way down the line. And you know what it takes? One car. So let's get the cars off the road. Make this a streetcar road, street. This is Queen Street in Toronto. We got the best streetcars in the world and I love them. Bob Alisat, PsyOps Media. Peace, love, out for now.